Do you need to figure out how to unrestrict an account on Instagram that you have previously restricted? In this video, I will show you step by step the process of restoring someone's access to your profile. After watching this video, you'll know exactly what settings need to be adjusted and which options are available, so that you can confidently make changes and unlock the account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to quickly and easily unrestrict an account on Instagram. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then go over to the profile that you want to unrestrict. You can do that by just searching for their username and selecting their profile. Once you are on their profile, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And now it will show you a bunch of different options. So from these options, simply select Unrestrict. And you have now successfully unrestricted that Instagram account. So to do this method, you do have to know the specific accounts that you restricted in the past. But if you don't remember the exact accounts that you restricted, there is a way to see a list of all of the accounts that you restricted on Instagram. To do that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then, once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. After that, tap where it says Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom and you will see an option called Restricted Accounts. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you'll see a list of all of the different accounts that you've previously restricted. You can simply tap on Unrestrict, and that will unrestrict their account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.